I love the food and wine of Spain. Finding a great tapas bar in Seville, or hopping between bars in San Sebastian, eating as many pinchos as possible, is one of my favorite culinary experiences. And gambas is one of those classic dishes you'll find almost anywhere you eat in Spain. You'll be delivered these wonderful shrimp served in a fragrant sauce of olive oil, lots of garlic and red pepper. And it's perfect with lots of toasted bread and a chilled glass of Albariño. Once you have all the ingredients ready, it only takes about 10 minutes to prepare, and it's a wonderful appetizer to serve before the main course. I'm going to prepare and serve it in my cazuela. If you want to learn more about this versatile dish, I recommend you watch the episode I made about the pans that I enjoy using in the wood-fired oven. And the ingredients are very simple. I have 12 shrimp. You should really try to use fresh shrimp, but if you prefer, you can buy some at your local fishmonger that have already been peeled and deveined. 10 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced. 1 or 2 sliced dried red chilies, depending on how spicy you like your food. Half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Some salt and pepper. 3 tablespoons of a dry sherry. The sherry is optional, but I think if you ever have the option to add alcohol to your food, I definitely think you should embrace it. And some fresh parsley. First, you want to peel the shrimp, leaving on the tail that will act as a handle when you're ready to enjoy the dish. You begin by twisting off the head, and then slip your fingers under the shell and peel that away from the body along with the legs. Gently run a paring knife along the back, making a shallow cut that should expose the dark vein running through the body. Gently remove each one you find. You might not find a vein in every shrimp, but that's okay. And remember, save the leftover pieces to make a delicious seafood stock. I'll begin by pouring the olive oil into my cazuela. Then I'll add all the garlic, the red pepper, and cook until the garlic takes on a little color but doesn't burn. Then add all the shrimp. Add some seasoning. Cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You'll see them turn from gray to a beautiful pink. When the shrimp are cooked, pour in the sherry, place the cazuela back in the oven to warm it through. Sprinkle over the parsley. Serve with the toasted bread and a glass of wine.
How do you prepare the shrimp?
The shrimp. The shrimp. Shrimp. He cut, sorry.